Dexter and Eeyore in Detectives. Oh. Hi, I'm Dirtball, and I'm Eeyore. This is with our sister named Maxie. Buddy's sister, hi. We're using our magnifying glass to look at things pretty close up. Whoa. Then you will be our detective skills to figure out what they are. Will you be helping and help us out? Great! Let's start with this. Let's see. It's black and red. Look, it has spots and it has lots of white. What do you think it is? It's a ladybug. Yeah, you got it. Hello, ladybug. Hi. Nice going, detective. Let's go something else to magnify. We're looking very closely. La 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 la. What's this? Let's see. It's swirly. The show has lots of ears. What do you think? What can this be? It's a snail. Good work. Nice going, detective. A lot of slime. Cool. Next, we're looking very closely. La 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 la. What is this? He is ticklish. Has ears and a nose. And what do you think it is? What can it be? It's tickly. It's Maxie, our sister. Nice going. Oh, thank you for your detective help. Thank you for helping. See you next time.